chance ya kusoma bure pia.
Elsewhere, a police officer was brutally beaten by a group of youth at the disputed Ngongongeri farm in Njoro, Nakuru County, before they confiscated his firearm. According to residents, the cop, who was in civilian clothes, was moving around the farm, which the local youth took as suspicious activity, as there exist court orders prohibiting any activity on the disputed land until a case that was filed is heard and determined. Njoro Deputy County Commissioner Mokin Tunganyi confirmed the incident, saying that the injured officer was rescued, with the residents surrendering the firearm back to him before he was rushed to hospital.
There is a group of anti-stock theft men from Gilgil who came to the farm, moralizing those boys who are grazing their cattle and sheep and goats there. They were showing them guns, and one of them was saying, shoot them, piga risasi mguu kwa shamba ya wenyewe. That is not fair. So there was a confrontation between the boys and those two men. I think one of the men walimstua akaanguka akaumia uso. That is when he pleaded with them, akawaambia sisi tumetumwa tu, tumeambiwa tuweke picon. So we don't know who is this. Nani huyu aliwatuma waweke picon hapo?